Recording also you're doing, no? Okay. So we'll call the meeting to order. Thank you very much, all of you, for coming. This is the first online meeting that we are all having, and it'll be a good experience and the first time experience for all of us. I'll call the Secretary, Dr. Paresh Kale, to please start with the proceedings. Yes, yes.
Anand.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
Himanshu was saying some mistakes were there. Himanshu, you were saying some mistakes were there. No, you checked any of them?
I am not corrected. Mistakes means spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes. It's okay. Maybe I didn't have time yesterday to correct it.
Now, one of the points which are there is the fourth point, report of clinical tips video contest. In that, Dr. Uday Shetty reported as per last minute's discussion. No, not that. Sorry, not that. The fifth one. The report of cricket league held on. Dr. Uday Shetty that it was a wonderful moment and excellent job. Rikin Gogri and his team.
It's echoing, I think.
Why should it happen as a I don't know. I use my earphones.
Yes.
That will be even better.
Hello. Can you hear me? Better? So, report of cricket league. All those who are not talking, put on mute, please, because if there's any background sound, that will come. Only when you want to talk, you can remove the mute. So, Dr. Uday Shetty congratulated the statement. That is a wonderful moment and excellent job with hard work of Rikin Gogri. Basically, I went through the audio, so there were some little small changes over there that Dr. Uday Shetty congratulated. Sutar, just note this down. Dr. Uday Shetty congratulated Rikin Gogri and his team. And then he gave it to Rikin. And then Rikin congratulated his team, which is Chitrang, Rohan, Amit, and he congratulated all the others. This is just to make a small change in that. I just wanted to add that. So they were all instrumental in helping in the success of the team. Then there were some other mistakes which I got corrected. Other than that, anything else anyone else wants to say, you can tell so. Can you hear me, all of you? Yeah.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, nothing. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's okay. The recording is happening, so it's fine. No. And
बीच में ऐसा हाथ भी करो.
also,
Yeah. Yeah.
Getting logged out from your other.
Yeah. I've logged out. I'm only on my tab.
Okay, thank you.
I think we can.
there is come. And all of you can keep the agenda open. It's there in the chat, in the ECCA chat, yeah, WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now, before we talk about that part, no, with respect to the accounts, Himanshu actually has taken a little more interest in that, and he has spoken to them, yesterday, today, or yesterday, day before yesterday, and he's got some figures to tell us. So, Himanshu, you want to say something?
Yes, Anand. After we spoke day before yesterday, I spoke to Deepak Kamdar and the treasurer of the conference, Nagpur conference. It doesn't seem as if they were, aware about anything. So yesterday they were sitting with the chartered accountant, and initially they had written that the loss is around 3,64,000. But then on checking the balance sheet, uh, we saw that the loss is much more than that, because 2 lakhs which they had given to Health Cocotech, who is the digital guy, was not booked in the expenses. So I asked him, he said, no, it is booked. Then I said, you please ask your chartered accountant. Then they asked the chartered accountant, who said that it is not booked. So that much is also, to be added to the loss. So 364 plus, no, yeah, 564, and the total bill of that person, Health Cocotech, is 258. So 58 is to be given to him. I said that the conference is not yet over, not even started. So how can you pay him the entire amount? Already you paid them 2 lakhs. So I don't think you should pay 58,000. Pay him 58,000, because He's a digital guy, so he's going to do online registrations, website update, and everything he's going to do. So half the things are not done. So how can you give him? He said, no, sir, he's asking, and we are trying our level best. I said, no, I don't think you should give them 58,000. You tell them that the head office is refusing. So, but still today in the morning, they sent me the updated balance sheet in which they have already mentioned that the 258 is a loss. So the total loss is 632,471. So we have to pay very less. No, yeah, 58 is balance. The rest is paid. So, but probably they are going to pay them 658, and which I was opposing. So I said, you before paying, you just contact the head office. You can contact the secretary or the president, and please take their permission before paying the balance. Otherwise, 58 again will be added. So if 58 is added, it will be 632,471. And another thing is the traveling expenses, Paresh. Traveling expenses is 90,828, and I asked them to give the breakup. Then they said that 2 or 3 people had gone to Delhi to promote the conference in the IPS conference, to promote the Nagpur conference, and 2 people had come to the holiday in meeting, EC meeting. That is Deepak Kamdar and Abhay Datarkar. So for them also they have included, and 3 other people were supposed to come to Thane midterm conference to promote the Nagpur conference, and they are unable to get the refund for that money because the lockdown started after that, and they had asked for the refund before that. So I don't think they are liable to get the refund. So that much also is a loss. So 90,000. They were unable to give me the breakup. They were not even knowing that how many people were supposed to come, how many people had gone to Delhi. They were not very much aware of it. So, absolutely, absolutely. And there's so many things, lodging and boarding, then office expenses 43,000, printing expenses 65, then promotional expenses, postage. Okay, another thing I wanted to mention is about GST. Now GST is mentioned as 13,957. Then I asked him, he was not aware. Means nobody knows anything about it. Only the chartered accountant knows. So now they were sitting with the chartered accountant. Then they said that 13,957 is paid for 13 participants, GST, because they got the GST number only in February. And now the question is whether we now, as it is, we have decided to give the refund to all the delegates. Okay, whatever they have paid, 200 delegates. Now, if we give the refund, the GST, do we deposit it in the bank to pay it to the government and then ask for refund, or we don't pay at all? But then on asking a few people.
Okay, let me answer that. I spoke to the accountant Lumina about this point. So she said that you have to, now it's a 3 months, so we have to, it's like March mein khatam hote hai, fir February, April, May, June. So up to March, whatever GST is liable, no, has to be paid, and then we can claim a refund. So that is a norm. No, GST part was a little important part, which we have got to talk about. Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So now another thing I want to bring to your notice. Yesterday they were insisting that they give the next conference to Nagpur. Then we said, see, that we are going to discuss in the EC. I cannot tell you right now. Even if but
Yeah, correct, Paresh. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
See, I think at this point, what we need to decide is that we are going to freeze all income and expenditure. At least that action to be taken on this call has to be done now. No, that okay.
Not at
No.
Keep
not
your
possible.
No.
So
No.
put your hands up or down.
No, it won't
Not
be
possible.
possible for sure.
It won't be possible for sure. Yeah. 100% no.
This year it won't be possible.
This year it won't be possible.
And even January also,
January
also is dicey.
are you willing to host it in 2021 early?
Jan also not a good idea.
Also not a good idea.
21 early also will not be possible because of the international speakers will come.
Is it inadvisable that put the conference on?
In 2020 का conference जो है, that will go off. We have to consider it in 2021.
1 year. Will we conclude and this conference has been part of?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's discuss what do we do on this conduct. What do we do about what has happened in conference with respect to account, money, etc.
Call it off.
Yeah, basically it's bearing the loss. We'll end up having to bear the loss.
But
See, for them
we
to
do Nagpur or not, we are not deciding right now.
No, I don't think that's fair because always when you have any conference, you are deciding 2 years in advance. If you tell them, 5 months or 7 months in advance is not fair for them. We have to.
Yes. They will be given the chance. Yes, absolutely. So at least we should inform them because Anand, Ahmedabad people are also waiting. Yeah, so that's what. So we have to inform the Nagpur people that whenever we organize a conference next time, they will be given the priority if they are willing.
No, I,
Yes.
no, I think cancelling Ahmedabad doesn't sound a good, wise decision because it has been given and they have been preparing. Now, this year's conference has been cancelled purely because of circumstantial reasons. I think the event after that, if they want to apply, then in priority base we can give it to them. Suppose if they raise their hand, say, I don't want to do it, then we are not allowing somebody else to host it. So I think Ahmedabad has already been given. I think that should be kept as it is.
No.
My
I think you're saying wrong. I think you're saying Nagpur you're talking about, no?
No.
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad should go ahead as per schedule because it has been given. They are in already preparation mode. The one after that, whoever applies, and for some reason, if Nagpur does not apply, so this question will not arise. But if they apply again, I think on priority we should give it to them. That's my opinion.
I don't got what you're saying. Now what you're talking is Nagpur. You're saying Ahmedabad is supposed to 2020
One.
is after Nagpur, no? 21. Yeah.
21. That is 22.
Yeah, and that is if they apply again.
Apply.
If they don't apply, we don't even consider
No,
it.
no, see, I'll tell you what. No, no.
No, refuse nahi. See, listen, Anand, the 22nd ka is not decided yet.
Yeah.
So that means there will be people who will apply for hosting it. It
Sharat,
could be
Sharat,
Mumbai,
may I
Ahmedabad.
interrupt? May I interrupt? Sharat,
Yeah, correct.
नहीं रास्ते तो ठीक है, लेकिन एक चीज बताओ मेरे को, वहां अगर उन्होंने झाड़ी लगा दी है तो तुम्हारा विजिबिलिटी तो खत्म हो गया ना।
हाँ, बोल परेश.
The AGM. Correct. Correct. And correct.
Correct. Correct.
Correct.
See, if these are extraordinary circumstances, now Nagpur has been, working very hard for this. And, he called me up also yesterday. He said, sir, we are all working very hard. Please don't cancel it for us. So I don't think it is right for us to tell them that you go to 2022 because they've done all the homework, they've done all the organizing, they've done all the work of, communicating with other associations and all
they
that.
have contacted the sponsors also. They've agreed
They've
upon.
approached they've gone through the initial process and a large part of the process of the sponsorship. It is not absolutely not fair to tell them that you go to 2022 and then you apply for us. How can you tell them that you start applying again when you have given them a task and now
But
it's logical.
Babu,
It is logical.
but
1 minute. It is 1 minute. It is logical that you tell them that you have done your work. You have done whatever this thing is there. You have half the battle of half the work they have done of communicating with the traders. Now again, you're going to start with the traders once again. I don't think it is fair to tell them that you come after Ahmedabad. It is not fair at all. I think that if at all you're giving anyone, it has to be.
I agree with Uday. I agree with Uday.
We should give it to. See, I'll tell you, with respect to the constitution, no, there's nothing regarding this with respect to the constitution. Now, this is extraordinary circumstances where the constitution has said it is going to be given to Nagpur, and after that we have given it to Ahmedabad. So we are following that. Now, I am asking, why is the hesitation of being able to say yes to Ahmedabad principally? All you have to do is tell them, not so I'm sorry, to Nagpur principally. We tell them principally we will say yes. We don't know what the situation is next year because we don't know whether delegates are going to come or not. We don't know whether the trade is going to come or not. That is all stuff we don't know. But principally, if you're going to be doing it, we will do it next year. We will give it to you all. We will take a call maybe January or whatever. But at least that much you must be able to tell them. This is already passed by the AGM, yaar. No, I'm sorry. Nagpur and Ahmedabad is been passed by the AGM in that order. No, no. Every 2 years, every year we have. Correct, correct. Yeah, correct. So that, so that is what I'm saying is that we don't have to commit to them that we are saying that it is cancelled now, and we'll give you the first choice is going to be yours. So in the AGM which we are going to have in September, that time we will take a call about that. Yeah, yeah.
What what I feel is we'll have no clarity how a conference is going to be held in future from here on. So even September is probably going to be too early to commit. We need to wait for a longer time. We can only say that it's resolved and cancelled. Yeah, it's cancelled.
But I think 1 month might be 1 month might be too small a time, because if they have given some forwarded money, recover it and all that paperwork, so that might take some. So they can. No, no, I'm just telling that. I mean, don't tell them audit with account. Tell them to submit the on-ground reality paperwork in a month's time. Okay, okay, okay. Done, 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 done.
These
Okay, done.
Himanshu, these accounts are by the chartered accountant only, no? Himanshu,
Yes.
chartered
Yes.
accountant is there. No?
Yes.
Okay, done.
Yeah, yeah.
And ISOI is
Okay,
ready to bear the loss, whatever it is.
and that.
Yeah, yeah.
Done. Yep.
Actually, Himanshu, Paresh, oh, you picked up point number 3. 2 is what is missed. Approve the AGM minutes to be presented at the AGM. No, AGM किधर खोला? Okay, 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 okay. Okay.
Nothing yet. Okay, and I cannot see anybody's video. Any reason? It's proper here. Wi-Fi. Oh,
Himanshu, we can see you. You can speak even if you cannot see us.
yeah, I cannot see anyone, but I'm talking. Now the thing, huh? I know.
You can work
Okay, now as far as
Monty.
dental campus is concerned, initially when we entered into the contract with them, we had committed 500 registrations from our side. That will give you 500 people at the rate of 17 euros per person. Now, after some time, after the lockdown and everything, and we thought that the response is not so good, we tried to convince them. We tried to convince the director, Mr. Dr. Michael Peets, that if you can allow us, rather than 500, please make it to 300, so that we can go ahead with our whatever we have spoken to you. So he fortunately they agreed upon it, and so now instead of 500, we have to give them 300 participants for the dental campus thing. And as of now, we have received about 227 subscriptions, out of which there are 115 fellows and diplomats who are not going to pay as it is. 112 have to be, we have to charge 112 people, and 82 people have paid. So we hope that the remaining out of 300, 227 have already subscribed. The remaining 73 will subscribe in due course of time. And we have been promoting it time and again. Babu and everyone is sending to all the groups about the registrations. After the lockdown is over, I hope everything will settle down.
I must thank Himanshu for following up on this with Dental Campus and getting them to reduce this thing from 500 to 300. And also thanks to Himanshu for following up on the accounts also with all this Nagpur wala also. Nagpur ka work. Now with respect, so finally we have about 70 odd people who still have to be filled up. Now what we originally talked about getting giving it to the companies to companies to come in and give them some few free registrations. We could probably consider that and go ahead and do that. Yeah. Yeah.
And we have to we have to give a deadline now.
Yeah, I think that's better. We'll pay for the full 300. Let this 227 come in first, and then we'll take progressively we'll allow people to come in.
So total 4,28,000 odd we have to pay. 4,28,000 to them.
Okay. Huh?
Pardon? No. He is supposed to send me a new invoice for 300 people. Once they send the invoice, I think we should pay.
Yeah, that tax का वो certificate जो है, he said it's correct.
Yeah,
That
I
part
asked him about the tax registration number, and he says it's the same as the identification number. Yes.
yeah, correct.
And in the meantime, each one of us should try to get more people in. Absolutely. Right. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so we set out with this activity probably in Feb or so, and April end was supposed to be the last cutoff date, and finally we've now made it to May end. So May 31st, finally we are winding up. We had formed a subcommittee where there was Himanshu, Rikin, Rohan, and Paresh, of course, were the part of the subcommittee. But other than that, I must say Chitrang helped me a lot, tremendously with respect to all this back end work with respect to the digital work. So of uploading all the stuff, taking down all the things, and putting it up. I must thank Rikin for that, Chitrang for that.
Thank you,
So we've
Chitrang.
got-
Good
thanks.
job.
We've got about 37 people who have, and we're getting a few more who have signed up, rather who have given their videos. We have got the judges. We had not decided who to do. Finally, we just decided that it's going to be Ajit Shetty, Glenn Mascarenhas, and Dr. Dilip Deshpande. I wanted senior people to be there. So these three people, all three of them have consented. I've sent them the videos. So they will, once after this May 31st gets over, we'll look into that and we'll come out with the results. We are giving 3 prizes for each category. And for 3 categories, there 3 into 3 is 9. So depending on if they're a member or non-member, they will be given the prize. There are different rates for non-members and different rates for members. So besides, it will be based on that. Huh? So that's what it is. We are also promised to give a certificate to all the members. Digital certificate, we'll do that. In that certificate, which will give the. In fact, for that matter, there have been a few foreign dentists also who have participated in the conference. Huh? I wanted more of them to participate. I would have liked more of them, but we've got about some 4, 5, 6, I think so, foreign delegates who have participated in that, who have given. And I sent it to you, Paresh. I sent it to you, but I can send it to all the others also. And it's all there. All of you, I want all of you all to see. Huh? If you have not yet seen, I hope all of you have seen all the videos on YouTube. देखा कि नहीं तुम लोग? So go through all of that and give all your opinions also. Get all thumbs up, say whatever you like, and give opinions on that, please, because a lot of effort has gone into doing these things. So please do that. Even on the website, we put. Okay, before that, so the certificate जो है, that I want the signatures जो है will be Paresh, myself, and I want Chitrang's signature also, even though he's not part of the subcommittee, but he's done tremendous work. So I would like his name to be there in that. I must thank him for that. So with respect to the YouTube channel, I want all of you to go through the videos, as well as even we put up all the lecture series of all the lectures which have been done in the past. During our conference, we've done that. Amit has put up a lot of the videos. I'll be putting up some more, and we'll put all the videos which are of the conferences. The YouTube channel, unfortunately, they've got a lot of other nonsense. If you do a search of ISOI Digital on YouTube, then other than the what should I say, our videos, there's a lot of other junk also which comes in. So you don't get an exclusive channel where only our stuff comes. So you have other things also which come in. So I don't know how that can be filtered, you know. So
That will be filtered only, sir, once our viewership increases. The number of times and subscribers increase, automatically the algorithm will keep up the ISI digital only at the highest.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
Okay.
so once we have more number of subscribers who have seen these videos X number of times, we automatically will come up in the search.
Okay. Okay. So I wanted to have at least 1,000 subscribers for ISY Digital. We've got about some 600 and odd. So I want all of you all to push and, you know, get all your people to sign up, you know, subscribe to the ISY Digital channel. So once you touch 1,000, I think then you can put up, you can have live programs also, live
Nahi,
events also.
I would like to ask कि if there is a password to upload a video, how can others put a video over there?
नहीं हो सकता है. It has to come
Nobody
through
has
us.
put a video.
It has to come through us. We
So only
disabled the part of where anyone can put up a video.
So it can be put up without a password also.
Cannot be put up.
nobody can.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Rikin, you want to say something? Can't hear you. Can't hear you. You're on mute, Rikin.
Yeah, I'm not on mute.
Okay. Okay. Now we can hear you.
So we had about 92 registrations and we have refunded all of them. The only thing that is yet to come is around 1 or 1.5 lakhs from the hotel that they have paid to Hotel Visava. So I think Ajit, Shaligram and Rishikesh are following up with the hotel guys and we should be able to know that soon about the refunds. Because initially they had told about postponing to the hotel and they had asked for dates for December, for June, I think. The only part remaining is to get the advance paid to the hotel refunded.
Yeah. That I hope we can get that. We should try to push them. I've been telling him, I've been speaking to them to try to push them to get the refund. Actually, we should have.
Other than any losses,
We should have pushed them right at the beginning itself, you know, as soon as the lockdown started. But then, you know, they were not functioning. That time we tried, they tried, but it was not happened. The more we delay, I think it's going to. But they did say verbally that they will give the refund. And we have given the money to everyone, the entire this thing. So that the GST part, I mean, we've given the full refund. और the GST का भी हमको वो adjust करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, next part. Okay, next part.
No, nothing else. No. Yeah, that the accounts have been submitted to all of you to go through that and see. In fact, last time I told that the profit of the conference was 60 lakhs. Actually, it is more than 60 lakhs. If you see, it is 58 lakhs written plus receivables is some 5 lakhs 80 odd thousand, and we've got those. We got that amount also 5 lakhs 60,000 or something like that. So actual profit is 64 lakhs of rupees.
hats off. Super.
Yeah. Thank you. It was really, you know, beyond our expectation. I think we all of us have done a great job.
Good.
And the account also, please note that the account has been submitted well in time. That itself is a big task. And you know, we did it in Jan or Feb or something. We finished the whole account.
By the end of Jan,
And actually, GST for that matter, GST anyway. That I think will come later when we come to the accounts of the ISY.
yeah, that
Nine.
Yeah, so I was very keen right in the beginning when I started only. I said I wanted to have a lab contact program. So because I thought that was something very good. And I negotiated with Dinesh Jain and we had it in Dinesh Jain's clinic, in his lab rather. and we had 14 people. We could accommodate only that much, 14 people. So we had two batches and two floors. We did 7 and 7 because it was not possible to have all together. And with the 14 people, it was, honestly speaking, it was very difficult to get them. And people not interested only. And we were charging how much? Some 600 odd rupees we were charging, 600 or 600 rupees or something we were charging. And this was actually supposed to be ISO, whatever you want to call it, is a ISO Mumbai Study Club event or a ISO scientific activity. But anyway, it was done like this. And
It was 500.
500 था ना? And for non-members कितना था? Non-members का कितना था?
700.
No, we had kept 500 only.
And
And
two rates.
non-members 700.
700, wait. So 500 and 700 था. So I had a lot of difficulty in getting that. We finally had to get some people free only, to be able to fill up this thing. And Amit was in charge of that, but unfortunately he could not come. He had some personal reason. Others also could not. I was the only one who was around, managing the whole show. But I'm telling you, the people who came, they thoroughly enjoyed it. I think it was an invaluable experience, learning, because there's always something to learn when you're doing attending a lab or going to a lab and seeing stuff firsthand, So it was a really invaluable experience. I would have loved it if you had more participation from, members, but we did whatever best we could. And we collected cash, because I did not want all the GST left. As it is, we're taking so less money. So Amit collected some 4,000. I've written it down somewhere. The cash is there with me because Amit collected. He kept it as 1 point for his, and myself was 1 point. I have the money written somewhere. I've kept it. It's about, say, 5,000 odd rupees. So how much was it that was collected? Yeah, Amit, I'll just tell you right now. 1 minute.
From my side, it was 4,700.
4,800 is what Amit has collected, and I had the 800 rupees is what I had with me, is what was collected. So about 5,600 is what is collected, which I've kept with me. We'll keep it for the next scientific Mumbai Study Club program, which will keep it forward. We'll take it forward. So that's with respect to the lab program. That's all, Paresh.
Yeah. So, guys, the journal is due in June end, and my journal of 60 pages is almost ready. I am expecting a few written from the authors. Otherwise, it should be coming out. Just because of this lockdown, the communications, the publishing offices are all closed down, working from home. But I'm in touch with them every week. The manuscript is ready, but there are some final touches to be given in terms of the standard of the manuscript submission which is being done. So some corrections are being done, but the number of articles and all are already in place. So should be coming out in 2 weeks as e-journal, and maybe if printing starts by end of this month, it should be posted. Yep.
Fellowship, no one has come from fellowship also, no? Okay.
About the guidelines, no, it's still coming, or in the same point we can add. Guidelines, proposed guidelines to everyone on the EC group, WhatsApp group. I hope everybody has gone through it. The salient features which were proposed, Paresh, may I say, or there is no need since everybody has been given the proposed guidelines?
No, except for the cost of the diplomat, which I don't know who decides.
30,000.
Yeah, so was it 30, or I think there was something like a mid one costing 20,000?
10,000 is for fellowship, 20,000 they are proposing a middle tier, and 30,000 is for deployment.
That middle tier has not been very much objectivized and sent. No, it is just a proposal, or is there something name given to it, or something of that sort?
No, it's only proposal.
For diagnostic
so
and
the
prosthetic work.
See, the proposal means that somebody does fellowship, then does this course. So there has to be a name for it. There has to be certain criteria to be fulfilled. For example, what is different from fellow and what is from diplomat. All that criteria also has to be redefined and sent. Proposal just cannot be. Yeah, there's no conclusion on that. So who decides on that? Should the EC decide, or how is it going to be? Correct. The midsection.
Yes. Yes.
So I think it is proposed that midsection.
But don't you think getting so less number of applications is a point to be of concern? Because that shows that people are not inclined.
No. I think because everybody knows that it is given in the conference. And the conference is going to be, everybody knows that it's going to be called off. Probably because of that, I have got so many people who have called me whether the conference is going to be on or not. And then if I would have said that yes, it is going to be on, probably they would have submitted, because it's 60 days before the conference you have to submit.
So that's another point for us to talk about also, no?
Yes. We are not losing out. Amit, we are not losing out. And middle tier, Sharath, you are asking, right? That no conclusion is. See, the thing
Correct.
is they have written that middle tier where diagnostic and prosthetic skills are judged.
But my point is, you will have to write down. Now, suppose if I have to apply for a middle tier, I should know what I should do, right? So you need to objectivize. Say, okay, these are the 5 criteria to be fulfilled. Now, whether it is diagnostic, I don't care. My point is, please submit 20 cases, 30 cases, do presentation in a year, or whatever the criteria is there. It has to be made in objective ways to be discussed in the EC meeting. No, there is no objectivity, so we can discuss on it.
Yes.
Correct, that's okay. I'm just making my observations. I'm not saying it. It's okay.
And they have mentioned about blinded checks also. Blinded checks that applicant has to submit 2 copies of the presentation to the secretariat, one with his name and one without the name, so that the checking goes unbiased.
But tell me, so Paresh, so what are you going to tell people who want to apply for fellowship? You want to give them a deadline or not now? So what we should do is just tell them July end. Say July end,
21st July.
say September end we are going to have the AGM. Okay. Okay.
Okay. 12 and 13, there are, as of the, we had this discussion on the last EC meeting, but after that, because of the lockdown events and lot of study activities happening on webinar, there has been no ISO activity as such on ground. So no ISO study club activities has been conducted. As far as the research grant is there, we have freezed on sanctioning 50,000 to Dr. Mir Deshpande. It was agreed in Feb, and we were awaiting a report to start the program in the college. But somehow all the colleges are also closed down. So in principle, we have received all documents. We have received the account numbers of the grant account of the college. Everything is ready. It is just that the college has to reopen. Some signs of activity of the protocol which we have accepted has to start, and then we sanction it. Otherwise, every paperwork is in place. It is just that they have to start the college, and activity has to start, and we deposit money into their account then. I'm just holding it back because no activity has started there. Instead of just putting it in their account and lying there unused, we can just release it when the need is arising. If they start in July, we give it in July. If they start in December, we give it in call.
So there's only one applicant. No? So far, only one applicant. Let him come back. No, Sharath, let him come back. Sharath, so only one person has asked so far, is it, for sponsorship?
No, this was
for
all of them applied till November of last year. In fact, for this year, it is November of this year was the deadline, so that we can sanction it before the next year end starts, financial year end.
Okay.
So last year when they applied till November, we approved it in this January meeting. This is one which is acceptable. And they processed it, they got institutional approval. They also created an account for their research. And the numbers of the account, everything is come to us with a letter from the financial officer. Everything is in place. But we are not releasing because they have not started. So I don't think it is wise to just park it over there as of now.
Yeah.
As and when they start, they inform us, we release it.
Okay. Okay.
My one more suggestion was that can we group all the webinars conducted by ISO as the scientific activity of ISO as activities for this internet?
Yes, these are usually considered as scientific activities of the ISO only.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so
I cannot hear you, Sharath. Cannot hear you.
Network problems.
Hello.
Can't hear.
Can you hear
Sharath.
me?
Now I can hear you. Now we can hear. Sharath, repeat what you said.
My suggestion to and all the done when maybe the DGM presented activities what I done. Also will ask Amit to list of what we know.
Can't hear.
I can hear.
Paresh.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you, Paresh.
My point is that if in this lockdown period, a lot of efforts have been done by Paresh, Himanshu, Amit Gupta to host and upload things. I think in our AGM we can have this that in these periods of lockdown, the activities done by ISO committee is also comprising of scientific activities. I think it's nice that these guys have taken efforts. So make a list so we can have a presentation as a report in our AGM.
Yes. Himanshu.
Yes.
Talk about the webinars that we did. Give you a report about the webinars.
Yeah, I can give you a report. Let me have a look. I'll all the details I've got.
अरे बोलो अभी बोलो ना जो
अरे अभी थोड़ी याद रहेगा कितना किया है यार.
कितना किया अबाउट 8-10 किया होगा ना.
लेकिन उदय
6-7 किया होगा.
किया रहेगा but हाँ किया है. My point is to make yeah Paresh says 10 has been done but it is just a compilation during our AGM to let the people know that this has been done.
As part of a scientific activity, yeah.
The same. I'll give you all the details.
That
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Next round. Correct. Correct.
We
Correct.
Yes.
we set the ball rolling.
Yeah. We set the ball rolling.
Very good.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Correct.
Yes. Now, even I must thank Amit Gupta, Anand Date for the guidelines, preparing the guidelines also. And he
Yeah,
prepared very fast. And we are also one of the first few to come out with the guidelines. That was a very
yes,
good
wonderfully
thing.
done, Anand. Anand, congratulations.
Good thing.
Good job, Anand. Good job.
Superb.
Sorry, Paresh. Just discussion, like a panel discussion, where we have 4-5 people together and we discuss about some part of implantology, rather than having only webinars. So how about having some other activity? May not be right now, maybe a little later, where you have a panel discussion among 4-5 people, because we had enough of webinars. We've not had enough so much of discussions. So we can think of having a panel discussion amongst 4-5 people. Just a thought which came to me. Sharath, what do you think? Yeah, just a thought. We could do that. What do you think, Sharath?
It's a good thing, but I think we need to. People are getting more monotonous looking in screens and listening to whether it's a talk or a panel. You still need to log in and listen to that.
I know. So not now. Later, we can
But
consider
I think, I think it's we should wait for this lockdown to open and check what are people more oriented. I think more people are now looking at getting back to work rather than listening now. Listening has gone too much, and more chaos has actually been coming in. I think your dental office now looks like more like a dental shop selling goods with excess there. OLX, you can start selling. So my point is, I
Some are
think let
even
this
selling the
settle
software.
down a little bit. Maybe about 4 to 6 weeks from now, it's not a bad idea that we come back with some more reason to have educational inputs. And I think panel discussion is going to take us forward because
Bharat, let everyone stop, then we'll start again.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Absolutely.
correct. I think we
Hello. Hi. Can I say something about the accounts now?
Yeah, bolo.
Hello. Yeah. So regarding the accounts and especially about the GST, so we have already filled the GST return as well as the GST
Yes.
return has been filed, and apart from that, GST has been paid till February end.
Sachin.
Hello.
Has been paid. Hello, can you hear me?
We missed the last
Am I
part.
audible?
Say the last part again. Sachin.
Yeah. So yes. So GST has been paid till February, and for March, April, May, and June, government has extended the time frame that GST can be submitted or paid maybe till July end or maybe thereafter as well. So we will be waiting for the new guidelines. And I have spoken to Lumina, who is our accountant, so she'll be doing a job. Apart from that, our accounts for the year 2019-20. So we still have ample of time because the deadline for the submitting account has been extended to November end. So, and as we observe for last 2-3 years, that generally the date is till September end, but they extend it in the month of September for next 1 or 2 months. So again, same thing will be definitely repeated, seeing the condition of this the current scenario, Corona outbreak. So we'll wait for the further guidelines, and probably as the situation arises, accordingly we will act upon it.
Yeah. Actually, our accounts, we should be able to finish well in time because since we are paying the
Yes.
GST, we are submitting all the accounts periodically. So there won't be much work for them to do. So they should be able to we should be able to, finish it all well before September.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. I have one little idea which I just came out with. I've not spoken to any. I just told Rikin is that last time we had this. We should have just like America's Got Talent. We should have another one. ISOI Dentists Got Talent, and have a program where people can put up whatever they want, something different from what we have on scientific, something different where we can have people put up their stuff, whether it is singing or acting or whatever, playing some instrument, and we can do that as an activity of ISOI. Since now is a lockdown period, we could consider doing that and having that as a activity. What do you think, all of you?
Can start with you only.
Something which came in my mind. What do you think? With what? क्या लगता है करना है कि नहीं करना है? Something different as the first time.
So I think Babu, what I think you should give a concrete plan that, for example, in next 3 weeks everybody makes a 30-second this and they do it.
30-second what?
So at least we can do it within our EC members first rather than opening it for everybody.
What do you want me to say? Or what should क्या करना है? Not for us, it's for
I mean,
outside.
give everybody, give everybody 30, not more than 30 seconds to 60 seconds to portray their skill levels of today. It could be reading a poem, it could be dancing, it could be something. It could be 3 weeks deadline, and keep it within the EC. Just to make sure the impact is good. You can improve on those things before you open up.
प्रेसिडेंट सर लॉकडाउन में इसका मोटिवेशन क्या है?
वही ना, because अगर इसी टाइम पे नहीं करेंगे ना, एटलीस्ट लॉकडाउन में करेंगे ना कोई तो all this time people have time to do all these things.
Yes sir.
The motivation is that one bottle of
Yes Shetty sir.
one bottle of black label
Black label.
या 30 seconds में खत्म करने का सर एक बोतल.
So tell me, this just came to my mind. Yesterday only I thought about it. I thought. So tell me if it's okay, then I'll think it out and we'll come with some kind of proposal.
Yes. Yesterday, me and Chitra.
What Rikin क्या बोला?
Me and Chitrang also had a talk about it, and we'll see how to plan and execute it. We'll let you know in a couple of weeks' time.
Yeah, we'll do it in another week or 10 days
IDA
or
is
so.
having a karaoke competition right now. IDA.
So this will keep it where anything. You can participate in anything. ऐसा करेंगे. Whether it is
Yeah,
playing
on
some
those lines we
instrument or
can have
whatever.
any talent.
Yeah. So we call it ISY. Dentists have talent.
ISO has talent.
So then it becomes like the same, as if it's only members. Like that. This is going to be open to all, no? Dentists have talent. Okay, anything else?
Doesn't sound good.
AGM.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Let's hope September, at least everything should be fine. Yeah. We cannot hear you, Sharad. We cannot hear you. Sharad,
we have been doing the AGM for IPS on digital platform only. So I think whether the lockdown opens or not opens, I think September end or October first week or something. not the national one. Like for example, the IPS regional branches, all of them had it in last 2 weeks. See, I'm just giving an possibility. I'm not saying that we may hold it in November physically. Okay. Good. Done.
Yeah. That's all.
I think
That's all. That's all.
adjourn.
Yes.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you, Paresh. Thank you, everyone, for.
Thank you, everybody. Have a
Thank
great
you, everyone. See you.
Everybody, thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Take care, guys. Take care.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.